Do you want to buy an investment property, but not sure if you can qualify, maybe because your income is low or you're self-employed and have a lot of deductions? Well, I want to talk to you about DSCR loans for investors, which could be a game changer for new and established real estate investors. DSCR stands for Debt Service Coverage Ratio. What that means is the property qualifies on its own rental income, not your personal income, but the rents from the property you're buying. This could be from established leases. This could be for proposed rents based on what the appraiser says is the market rents. And for some programs, we can actually use short-term rental income like Airbnb to help qualify. These programs are specifically for rental properties, and it's pretty flexible as far as what kind of properties you can buy. You can get the traditional 1 to 4 unit rentals, condos, manufactured homes, but you can also get multi-units up to 10 plus units. The highest loan amount I'm seeing for this program is currently $6 million, and the smallest down payment requirement is 15%. Now, when I say these properties have to qualify on their rents, whichever method of rent we're using, proposed or actual current rents or short-term, that means that the mortgage, taxes, and insurance, and maybe HOA dues have to be paid for by the rents. Now, the higher the rents compared to the monthly expenses, the better. If you're at a 1.25 ratio, meaning the rents are 1.25 greater than the expenses, that is ideal. But most lenders will do a 1-to-1 ratio where it's equal. And if you're short, a little bit under, meaning the rents don't quite cover the expenses, there are some options for that. And whether you want to get into a situation like that would depend on your own risk tolerance and personal preference. Now, pricing is not as great when you're upside down on the payment, but it is possible. Cases where this may be a good idea are areas that are up and coming and growing rapidly, but maybe the rents haven't quite caught up to the prices of the homes. But again, that's a personal decision. These loans can be used not just to purchase a property, but to refinance a property and to pull cash out of an existing property. So you can pretty much do any kind of financing you would with your own home with these kinds of loans. These loans are available in 30-year fixed, interest only, short-term ARMs, with or without prepayment penalties, and you don't need the highest credit score to qualify. Well, 640 is kind of the lowest, and the lower your score, you may pay a bit of a premium, but it is still possible, and you do not need perfect 800 plus credit score to qualify. There's also no limit to the number of homes that you can have covered by different DSCR loans. Conventional loans will cap you at 10 properties. Some other programs may cap you at 20, but this program, you could have as many as you qualify for. And when I say qualify, not the income, because that's covered by the rent, but you do need to have reserve funds when you get a DSCR mortgage. And how much reserves depends on the credit, depends on the equity in the home, and how many homes you may own. It could be as low as 2 or 3 months worth of mortgage payments for reserve funds. And these are funds that stay in your account before and after close. So it shows that you have a little bit of padding in your accounts so that when you close, you're not walking into this with $0 to your name. This program's great for first-time investors, seasoned investors who may have run into a cap on the number of properties they can finance. Great for wage earners. You have a W-2 job, or maybe you're self-employed, but you're very aggressive with your deductions on your taxes. Or maybe you want to finance a unique property that doesn't fit the other molds. This would be a great product for you. DSCR loans are a very powerful tool that can help you build your real estate portfolio and help you become a successful investor with several rentals under your belt. As long as the property cash flows, most likely we can find financing for it. If you have any questions, reach out in the links below. It's easy to schedule time on my calendar or give me a call anytime. And let's see how we can take you to the next level with your real estate investing. I put out these videos to help you become a successful homeowner and investor. If you found value to this video, please like the video, please comment, please subscribe, and share this with your friends. Thank you very much. Have a great day.